Alright, Slendry, there's this new viral social experiment thing going around. Tell me which name you hear.
Get out of my car now!
Or
Get out of my car now!
okay? Listen.
Get out of my car now! Get out of my car now! Get out of my car now!
I hear you.
Get out of my car now!
What? Who said that? Who said Granny?
Granny, we said yes.
Get out of my car now! Get out of my car now!
Yeah, not gruh.
Granny? We said Granny. I know. I'm Granny. That's why I said what?
Okay, she's deaf.
I'm dead.
Okay. Why are you doing that? What is that? Huh. Alright, listen again. I'm gonna play it again.
Get out of my car now!
What?
Get out of my car now!
What?
Get out of my car now!
What? Quit bothering me when I'm playing Fortnite. Check it out. Get down.
Play it again.
Get out of my car now! Get out of my car now!
I hear you.
Get out of my car now! Get out of my car now!
What happened to you?
Get out of my car now!
I'm right here playing Fortnite.
Not you, Granny!
Get out of my car now!
I know you're saying Granny. That's why I'm responding.
You are so old and annoying. Ready?
What?
No, Granny, I'm sorry.
Uh-oh, I'm out of here.
Now I'm mad.
No, Granny, I'm sorry. No, please.
Shut it
No,
down.
Granny, chill. Granny, calm down, Granny, calm down. Yo, why you gotta be like this, Granny? For real. No.
Get out of my car now! Get out of my car now!
Who keeps calling my name? No one. Now go upstairs.
Get out of my car now!
You're just jealous of my hair.
Get out of my car now!
The end.